your front tire straight, do not turn. You're probably a foot and a half from... Whoa, whoa, whoa! Slow! Slow!
Is that a rock
Slow!
Yes, you're good.
Slow. Inches. Centimeters for you. Centimeters.
Yeah.
Hey, they're guaranteed for life. You're good. And when you bend one, just take a picture and you can send the picture and they'll mail you one.
Nice and slow.
Those are ace rails.
Okay. It's all downhill from here.
How y'all doing?
Back in, come up a little bit there.
Okay?
That little bounce you go.
Coming. Nope, don't make any sudden movements because you're in a very precarious spot. So, because your rear end bounces around. Okay, that end's going to go over first. Nice and slow. And I need inches. Straighten out the tire. Nope, other way. Keep going. Hold it right there. No, hold it hard. Right there where it's bound up. Keep coming forward. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. More that way. There you go. There you go. Okay, now straighten out. Straighten them out. More. Right there. You got in a pretty hairy spot there for a second. Okay. You're almost down. Now you're down. No screaming or nothing.